Good morning. I'm really glad you pressed play today. Today feels like just another day. Nothing big is happening. No special events on the horizon. You're going through the motions, ticking off the tasks, and maybe even feeling a bit disconnected from the sense of purpose you'd like to have. But let me remind you of something. Every day has meaning, even the ordinary ones. It's easy to get caught up in the desire for excitement or purpose in every moment. But in truth, there's beauty in the ordinary. There's meaning in the small things, the simple acts of getting through your day with grace and focus. Today is not a day to be overlooked. It is a day where you can find purpose in what's in front of you, even if it doesn't feel monumental. Repeat this quietly with me. Even in the ordinary, I find meaning. Every moment is part of my journey. Visualize yourself moving through your tasks today with intention. Whether it's answering emails, completing projects, or having conversations with coworkers, see each moment as a piece of your bigger story. Each step you take is still progress, even when it doesn't feel like a major achievement. Even the most routine tasks are steps in the right direction. What would it feel like to embrace the present moment as it is without needing it to be anything more? Imagine seeing the small victories in the ordinary, finishing a task you've been putting off, a small interaction that brightens your day, even the satisfaction of checking things off your list. These things count. They matter. It's easy to think that you need grand moments to feel accomplished, to feel like you're living a meaningful life. But in truth, it's the little moments that build the foundation for the big ones. It's the steady routine, the dedication to doing the work that creates the space for the breakthroughs. Imagine that you're laying the bricks for something beautiful. Even if you don't see the full picture today, know that every small, ordinary thing you do is contributing to a larger purpose. You are building something that matters, even if it feels small right now. Let's take a moment to reflect on this. What can you find meaning in today? What little thing can you appreciate about today? Maybe it's a conversation that reminds you you're connected to the people around you. Maybe it's the satisfaction of crossing things off your to-do list. Maybe it's simply the feeling of being present and grounded in the here and now. Today is not less important than any other day. It is part of the story you're living, and it's shaping who you are becoming. The ordinary moments are the building blocks of our lives, and they're worth celebrating, even if they don't feel dramatic. And remember, I don't need big moments to feel fulfilled. The ordinary is part of my journey, and I can find meaning in it all. You might find that as the day goes on, you start to feel more at peace with the ordinary. Each moment becomes a little more significant, a little more purposeful. And by the end of today, you'll realize that even the simplest days have purpose. There's value in consistency, in doing the work, and in finding contentment in the here and now. Think about the tasks you're completing, one after another. You don't need to make a big splash today. Just moving through your tasks with intention, with focus. That's enough. Each small action is creating a ripple effect that carries meaning, whether you realize it or not. The truth is, you are living your purpose, even in the everyday. Sometimes it's hard to see the bigger picture, but I promise you, this day is part of that picture. Every moment today contributes to the path you're walking. By the end of today, you'll see that you're not just passing time. You're building something meaningful. And each day that might feel ordinary is actually a crucial piece of your journey. The ordinary days, today for instance, they don't need to be flashy. They don't need to have a huge payoff. What matters is the way you move through them, the way you show up for yourself, for others, and for your work, even when it feels like just another day. So, take a moment to feel grateful for today, for the little things, for the tasks that you're completing, for the conversations you're having, and for the stillness. If that's what you find today, it all matters. And in the bigger picture, today is a crucial part of your journey. Today is not just another day. It's a day that has purpose, and it's a day that's adding to your story, whether you see it or not. Thank you for spending a few quiet minutes with me today. You showed up today, and that's enough. This space is here whenever the world feels too loud, too fast, or just too much. Subscribe if you'd like a little more peace in your mornings. Take what you need, leave the rest. You've got this.